In this video, I'm going to show you how a single AI found me $8,000 per month a blog topic with a simple one click. Now, it's not ChatGPT, it's not Claude, or it's not Bolt.new. So watch this complete video. I'm going to show you how to do that. So right now I'm in my ChatGPT. Now here you just want to type what is trending and it's going to give you, some prompts. Okay, it's going to auto fill up, but you're going to type in your niche. For example, I'm going to search for what is trending in technology this year, okay? Or I can also go with what is trending. And you can also give what is trending today, okay? Now it's going to go to some sources and pull up data. Right now you can see it is also even mentioned the sources. It is pulling the data in, and you can see US TikTok ban, and it's a ripple effects, and then rise of short form video content, and then AR, which is augmented reality. And then if we look at this side, we have the same thing, but redefined. We have two responses. But what you want to do is pick up one keyword. Okay, now what I'm going to do is take this keyword, and then I want to introduce you generalist AI. Now here you have a feature called AI news article. Now here you simply type in the query which you have copied from the trending today. Now simply hit the search stories, and it will pull up all the related stories, and also redefine it and prompt you with a meta title and meta description, just generate article for you. Now you can see right here each story will be used to generate different article. Now you can go here and simply click on add to add it in a waitlist to generate article, and you can also click on minus to remove it. Okay, now I will go ahead and choose one of the stories. So let me just go with the middle one and then click on add article. Now what it does is it's going to take me to another page, ask me to generate article. Now I simply click on generate article. So that's it. Under a minute it's going to go through all the sources in the web. It is connected to the web, so it will go through the sources and pull in the latest information, updated information, and generate an article which is humanized content. Okay, so obviously you want to take it to your WordPress, or you can also directly go to the integrations tab and click on create integrations. Now you can see you have Blogger, Ghost, Shopify, Wix, Webflow, WordPress. Now guys, if you're have a clothing, if you're doing drop shipping, then this is a best plugin. It directly integrates to Shopify, and then you can auto publish, okay, even while you're sleeping. Okay, you can automate it literally. Now if I go to the article which generalist AI has produced, now you can see it has wrote an entire article even with a meta title and description, featured image. Now you have two options. One, if you're integrated with generalist AI, you can simply publish directly from here by adding tags. Otherwise, you can see right here there's a small simple called copy. You can simply copy and then directly go to the whatever CMS you are using, and then paste the article. Now in case if you don't like any of the content inside, this one interesting feature, if you click on edit with AI, it's gonna take you to AI SEO editor. Now you can simply select the desired paragraph and then click on rewrite, and you can make it longer and shorter. You can also add keywords, you can also add external links, internal links, whatnot. I mean, this is the one of the innovative AI SEO editor which I have seen so far. Okay, now you can see it is also writing the sources below, so which is of course needed when writing and content on the political keywords. So this is like this comes under sensitive topic. That's why you need relevant sources. Otherwise you wouldn't need much. But yeah, I would recommend using sources. So this is a tool, this is a great tool. I'll leave the link in the description. Like this video, comment which video you want me to make on, and then I'll catch you on the next one.